You are going to love the 2017 Buick Verano. Buick Verano is a compact car built on the Delta II platform, designed and built from the ground up with the idea of it being a Buick. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, backup camera, traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.